my name is Amethyst with WTI, and this right here is my favorite retractable eyeliner. This is the Beauty for Real Eyeline 24/7 Gel Eyeliner, and it is in the color Storm. They also call it a shimmering color, but it is a retractable pencil, which is my favorite type of eyeliners. This is my go-to tightline or waterline eyeliner. It applies like a dream. That gel texture is just so very nice. It also it is one of those products that you could either let it dry and have a nice crisp line, or if you use a smudger in time, this is a perfect smudging eyeliner. It just does an excellent job every single time for me. I also love that it has those little shimmers in there, so if you're looking for a color that will work for your eyes, if you have hazel, green, or anything with like multiple colors in it, these little flakes of shimmers in them will make your eyes pop like crazy. As you can see, my eyes look insane right now, and I do attest that to these types of products. So I have been absolutely loving this eyeliner. I highly recommend it as well to you if you are looking for a nice shimmery black kind of color, and you are also like me and you're bad at sharpening pencils. You don't have to worry about sharpening ever again with this type of product. So I highly recommend this because it lasts all day, it's really easy to apply, it doesn't irritate my eyes, and it just looks great. So that is my point of view.